Which of these 4 adhesives works best for bonding indoor-outdoor carpet to wood? More specifically, OSB, plywood. Today, I'll be testing for overall bond, ease of use, and price. Which adhesive do you think is going to win today's competition? Let me know what you think in the comments down below. I've prepared and cut 4 12 by 18 pieces of indoor-outdoor carpet that I picked up at Home Depot. I've also cut and sanded a piece of OSB, making sure that I've removed all of the sawdust from the wood. For each of these 4 adhesives, I'll be following the manufacturer's directions for use for this head-to-head competition. Let's get started. First up is Gorilla Spray Adhesive. Incredibly strong, heavy-duty, moisture-resistant, indoor-outdoor, clear in color, multi-purpose, made in the USA with domestic and foreign material. Bonds wood, metal, fabric, foam, plastic, paper, glass, leather, and more. To shake all my spray adhesives today, I'm going to use my DIY spray can shaker. I'll put a link to the build video for this and a card up above. Shake can well before using. Hold can 6 to 8 inches from surfaces to be bonded. For maximum bond strength, spray both surfaces to be joined. Allow to dry to tack. Approximately 1 minute, press surfaces firmly together. Next up is the 3M Super 77 Spray Adhesive. Commercial strength, dries quickly and clear, covers 182 square feet, high tack, made in the USA with globally sourced material. Bonds foil, paper, foam, metal, plastic, fabric, cardboard, and insulation. Clean and dry surfaces. Shake can before using. Hold can 6 to 8 inches from surfaces to be sprayed. Apply a uniform coat. Allow adhesive to dry until tacky. Apply enough pressure to ensure complete contact. Loctite Spray Adhesive. Professional formula, contact adhesive, water and heat resistant. Application temperatures between 65 and 95 degrees Fahrenheit. Made in the USA. Bonds wood, metal, glass, carpet, glass, molding, marine application, upholstery, carpeting, van, motorhome conversion, kick plates, and signage. Clean and dry surfaces. Shake can well before using. Hold can in a vertical position and spray from a distance of 8 to 10 inches away. Apply even coats to surfaces to be bonded. Let dry to tack approximately 1 minute. For an extra strong bond, double coat both surfaces and allow to dry for 2 minutes between coats. Join surfaces together within 5 minutes. The Loctite Spray Adhesive definitely had a different feel and smell, and I could actually see the webbing. Our last contender is from DAP. Weldwood All-Weather Outdoor Carpet Adhesive. A conventional carpet adhesive. High-strength, waterproof bond. Rubber-based adhesive. Quick grab, resist curling. We're gonna test that. Application temperatures between 45 degrees and 100 degrees Fahrenheit. Color tan. For outdoor use. Made in the US with US and globally sourced material. Used to permanently install most carpets, including rubber-backed and poly-backed artificial turfs to asphalt, concrete, and wood. Clean and dry surfaces. Dry time varies with temperature. Roll with a 75-pound roller. Wait 24 hours before exposing to heavy traffic. That has all 4 pieces of carpet glued down with each of the 4 adhesives. We're gonna let it set overnight and we'll check back tomorrow. I've given the carpet samples 48 hours to dry. So let's start the competition. We'll first start with price. First up is the 3M Super 77 Spray Adhesive. I purchased this one on Amazon for $12.48, making this the cheapest adhesive of the day. Next is the Gorilla Spray Adhesive. I also got this on Amazon for $12.84, almost the same price. Next up is the Loctite 300 Spray Adhesive. I purchased this one on Amazon for $23.69, but I think you can get it at Walmart closer to 20 bucks. Last, I've got the Weldwood Outdoor Carpet Adhesive. This was $14.22 on Amazon, but they charge shipping, making this one the most expensive of the day, coming in at $23.89. For our next test of the competition, let's see how good of a bond it has along the edge of the carpet. Okay, I'm not hitting this very hard, and here we can see the Gorilla Spray. It really hasn't bonded that well along the edges, and it seems like it's cured out, but just with some minimal effort, I'm able to get the edges up. Let's move on down to the 3M Super 77. I'm going to use the same technique. The 3M77 definitely resisted curling better than the Gorilla Spray. I was really going at it here on the front, and it's definitely resisting. I can get it up, but it's definitely resisting better than the Gorilla. Let's move on to the Loctite. Here's the Loctite. It started lifting there, but it resisted in most places. Maybe I didn't get quite enough on there in that one spot. I was going at it aggressive, really beating on it on this side. Looks like it might have done not quite as well as the 3M Super 77. Let's move on to the DAP All-Weather Outdoor Carpet Adhesive. You can see where I've got the glue past the carpet, it just will not lift. Over here, I got it to lift, but my glue did not come past my carpet. So I'm thinking over here, that's probably what happened there too. I didn't quite get enough on the edge, but I believe this is our winner. This is our winner for the curling. Definitely where the glue went past, this carpet will not lift off. Our next test in the competition is going to be overall bond. Just how well does each of the glues hold the carpet onto the wood? For this test, I've taken 2 pieces of trim and some vice grips because I think it would be unfair if I pull in just one spot. Hopefully this will distribute the pressure and allow me to pull more evenly. Let's get started. First up is the Gorilla Glue. I could pull this the rest of the way off with no problem. Next up is the 3M Super 77. Okay, yes, I can pull it off. But it's given a fight. Next we have the Loctite. It feels similar to the Gorilla Spray, but it's holding on a little better. I could definitely pull it the rest of the way off. Last, we have the DAP All-Weather Outdoor Carpet Adhesive. This was the traditional carpet glue. I definitely feel like I could pull this the rest of the way off, but I feel like it's bonded better than this one and better than that one. Our winner for overall bond goes to the 3M Super 77. This stuff has really held on pretty good. I'm really struggling here to pull this thing off. You can even see there's pieces of wood that are stuck to the carpet. Ease of use is a tie between all 3 spray adhesives. Very similar process of spraying both sides and applying pressure. Not so with the conventional carpet adhesive. This stuff was messy, time-consuming, and the most expensive. Who was our winner today? The 3M Super 77. It resisted curling along the edge, it had a great bond, it's inexpensive, and easy to use. I'm working on a video to install a carpeted floor system for an inflatable Seahawk 4 boat. When I'm finished with that video, I'll put a link to it right here. I'm glad you watched, and I hope you'll watch again. Now for our next test. I guess we're taking a little break.